Hi guys, welcome back to a video. I'm in Daddy's truck, if you can tell.
Hey guys, so as you've probably noticed from the new intro, we have a truck. So this is the beauty here. We are planning on doing a walkthrough.
Yeah.
But we just have to pull our finger out and actually do it.
Yeah, so I've had the truck for 5 months now.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't believe it, but you'll see this video is about us working on the farm, and that's actually when we sort of got the truck, and we're doing a lot of work to the truck as well out in the farm. So
you'll probably see it in different stages during the
yeah, you'll see different bits happening, but
we will do a build video and we will do a run through video eventually.
Yeah, we're just catching up on footage, so
all right, judgy.
But anyway, yeah, enjoy the video, but yeah, stay tuned for the truck rig rundown. Well, here we are, doing a harvest, helping out. Pretty good work. I mean, we travelled Australia because there was a bucket list item, and doing this for me is a bucket list. More driving road trains, doing a bit of a harvest, so I'm enjoying it. But yeah, so I carry, in that I put about 52.5 tonne, maybe 53, without going overweight. So there's a 18 speed. We're loading out of the, we're loading canola. So late night.
All right, what are we doing?
We're doing juice.
Juicing oranges.
Yeah.
All right, how do you do it?
You get an orange.
So to kick off our harvest season, we headed to Hillston, southwest New South Wales. We started on harvest in Hillston on barley. We only stayed in Hillston for about 3 or 4 weeks, but it's a nice little town. Had a bowling club, a couple of pubs, and just the little bits and stuff you need. So it was a good little spot. Kids kept entertained, as you can see, doing different bits and pieces while I was out working most of the time. If you're ever in Hillston, New South Wales, check out the bowling club and their Chinese. It's the best that me and Alyssa have ever had.
So fresh.
Alright, so here we are at Narandra, a beautiful G'day park in southwest New South Wales, where we got our G'day discount, so thanks G'day for that. A beautiful skywalk right next to the caravan park, which the kids loved, and a massive walkway along the river underneath it. They have huge drive-through sites for big rigs, a lovely camp kitchen, and a huge playground. But the absolute best thing of this park is the awesome pool and water slides right next door. Check this out. You won! Woo! Come back a bit. Sit there with Indy. Logan, sit there with Indy. Quick, 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 quick. Back a bit, Indy. So we are here at Barimbadia. Daddy's doing some work, isn't he? And we came with John and Sylvia from Lost in the Right Direction for the day. We're going to go check it out. Oh, look. Oh. Nope.
Righto, so we're out here on the farm. It's actually the 1st of December, and Alyssa's birthday's Christmas Day. She's 30 this year. So her parents are coming out. Just some friends that could make it here in the middle of nowhere. So John and Sylvia here invited a few, but yeah, understandably not many people can make it. So she doesn't know her parents are coming. But yeah, so I just got the GoPro out. I'm actually making something for the truck and said I'm going to record it. So I just sort of do this little video, so when it goes in, you can see it all, but it's going to surprise her. So I reckon there'll be tears when her parents come, because she won't be expecting them to travel 12 hours. Hey Lissy, looks like we're just about to turn into Boners Road to surprise you for your 30th birthday. I hope you enjoy your present.
Happy 30th!
Happy 30th!
Surprise! What the hell are you doing here? Hi, surprise! Oh my god! Guess what? I got your bag.
Hello! Not going to get a word out now.
Hi guys.
Hi, Bob. How are you? I kissed you. Hi, Bob. Oh, sorry.
Surprise! Surprise! How'd you go, mate?
How are you, Rose? How was your drive?
Ah, well, today was good, but the 850k before wasn't.
Yes.
Hey, TB.
How are you, mate?
Yeah, I'm good. Today was good.
We did it. I wonder if we've got enough cheese.
Oh, I don't think so. I think we need to go to the shop and get a little more.
What is that? We've got 3 dips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cheese.
Wow.
Alright,
We're not cheesaholics.
let's party.
Let's go.
So we're at Whitton Malt House, the brewery, at Whitton, just south of Griffith. So my wonderful husband here surprised me for the weekend with some friends and family to come where we're staying and doing the harvest. So we've all come out, we've had a few cocktails, haven't we?
Yeah, dinner, oh, not dinner, but lunch is just being cooked, so we're just walking back. But the place got a fair bit here. I actually wasn't expecting that.
No, it's beautiful.
Like aqua golf, and obviously you got your Malt House food, all this like walking sculptures and stuff. It's a pretty cool place actually.
Yeah.
And you've actually got accommodation here too, which,
It's really nice.
yeah.
We've got my parents here, we've got John and Sil from Lost in the Right Direction, and we've got Bardi and Bree from Salute Australia. They've all come out. We're in the middle of nowhere, so it was actually really lovely for everyone to come out. But yeah, we'll show you some of the food, and well, we're gonna go eat. We just had a phone call that our food's ready. Oh my god,
I'm starting.
thank you, Baba. What are you doing tomorrow?
Harvesting.
Harvesting?
Yeah,
In what?
harvesting and I have no idea.
What are you doing harvesting in?
Harvesting and like one of the things where you dump it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's why I'm going harvesting.
What does harvesting mean?
Harvesting means getting plants.
Yeah. Good job. Are you excited?
Yeah.
What do you need to do to go in the harvester?
Be safe and just drive.
What's your job?
My job
Is that Daddy? Oh my god.
Daddy!
Bye.
I went down to the sea, where the river finally finds its sweet relief. And I got down on my knees, looking for the Delta Queen to hush my grief.
Well, the kids are playing in the rain. We just had cyclone weather.
Oh yeah, cyclone weather.
Massive.
Well, we had all stuff out here because we're working out on a farm.
Yeah.
And
everything just went flying.
Took off through the paddock. So the kids were like over at the wash bay.
We couldn't see them.
Yeah, I had to hustle them back. Got them back, and then Logan helped me clean up the stuff in the wind. And anyway, then I come and got Alyssa and said, you got everything in the shed behind us, and said, oh, just come in the shed because they didn't know what was going to happen with the van. It was pretty stable, actually. I was surprised.
It was stable, but yeah, just in case we just stayed in the shed.
So yeah, we went in the shed, probably what, 15, 20 minutes? Close to half hour maybe. And then it sort of just died down. I said, oh, I'll go check the van. And Alyssa popped her head out and noticed the roof hatch had blown open. And
so the van flooded.
Yeah.
We've just cleaned it all up. So before we went in the shed, I did check that all of the roof hatches were latched. They were all latched, but this one has flown open with the wind. And yeah, well, the blind was just caved in. I'll
had to get one
show
of
you a
the
little
big
snippet.
super soakers. You suck the water up to get the water out of it.
Did you know that was
And we've
mine?
just used every single towel. That was a big one. We've just used every single towel that we own to clean it up. So
Bit of fun for the afternoon. We'll
and it was 42 today here.
Yeah.
And then this massive storm comes over.
yeah, like, and it was still, it would have been 38, and that storm just rolled in. Well, we've seen it down the back because I was
crazy.
going to drive down the back and just check on some things. But that didn't happen. Luckily we didn't really, because we wouldn't have had this sort of, the Starlink blew over. Probably, actually, I should check the solar panel.
We've got to check the solar panel because the Starlink blew over and it was upside down on top of the solar panel. All good?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, I think we survived that somehow.
So that is the storm that we just got. That's the rest of it blowing over.
Yum.
It was absolutely insane, wasn't it?
Yeah. Welcome to my Activa.
Where are we?
At the zoo.
At the zoo.
I see a real
What animals are we going to go see?
a horse.
Meerkat.
I can already see a horse.
Here's the old time country song and y'all hear about tailgates and denim jeans and ice cold beer.
Boots scoop baby down a red dirt track. Raise your drink and your cowboy hat. We're living the good life, but don't look back. Going at the country way. Weekend fishing with a few good friends. first steer wheels, we don't need no bends. Under the sun where it
Very
all makes
curious.
sense. We don't know another way. Here's the old time country song y'all wanna hear.
Yeah, Nan's favourite.
Tailgates and denim jeans and ice cold beer. It's that back road singing along, we all wanna shout. If you're from a town nobody knows, and say it real loud. We're country proud. Oh, 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 we're country proud. Oh, oh, oh. Dirt bike riding in our own backyard. Radio underneath the stars. Daily raking his achy heart. That's how we were raised. We love mama's cooking and dad's bad jokes. Grandma dancing to Cotton Eye Joe. Nothing fake about the country folks. We ain't never gonna change. It's the old time country song that y'all wanna hear. About tailgates and denim jeans and ice cold beer. It's that back road singing along, we all wanna shout. If you're from a town nobody knows, and say it real loud. We're country proud. Oh, country proud. We're country proud. Oh, let's go now. Country, then I want you to sing about moonshine and bonfires and front porch swings. It's the back road singing along, we all wanna shout. If you're from a town nobody knows, and say it real loud. We're country proud. Oh, we're country proud. Oh, we're country proud.
Alright, Alpina Wildlife Park.
That's pretty cool.
We just finished the tour. So they take you around. You can either take the horse and cart there, or in the ute, in the back of the ute. Well, a cart on the ute, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a pretty big place. Lots of animals.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.